Can you tighten that up, please, more?
How's that?
I think we overshoot it now.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Cool. So what we'll do, just peel over to that handsome guy there. There we go. And we'll pop it in first, we'll kind of head on down, and we'll go this second stage. Yep.
Here we go.
Cool, yeah, we'll follow the road round again. So we'll head on down again. So this stage is quite different in places. There's a little crest that you come over, but I'll kind of I'll pre-warn you when we get there.
Okay.
But just get a feel for it again and just keep that nice smooth technique that we had earlier.
What is that anti-lock brake light?
Yeah, it just stays on
It's
now.
like
and then,
ABS
yeah,
or
you're
something
okay.
like that.
There we go. It's been it's been like a year now we've had this stage really, because before the stage was quite flat, so it was quite boring after a while.
yeah.
But now it's a little bit more character to the stage really.
Left?
Yeah, we'll go left again. And again, this time, second gear all the way round again, so don't worry about getting up into third gear.
Track
on the
dates
straight.
today or something?
Yeah,
like
it's
that?
track day on bikes today for most of the day. We'll go straight on, yep, good to go, on you go. Good, so again, all the way down the straight here. And then we've got to turn into the right, so nice and early, turn it in, good, back on the power up the hill. Good, it's a hairpin right. Good, turn it back in. And it's a hairpin left this time. Good, turning. Good, it's a double right. Again, it's like the first one. Good, and this is the second one. Good, good. Nice little left here, back in the power now. It's a left here, good. Turn the car to the left, brake it, turn it to the right. Back in the power now, good off the corner. And it's a
camber, right?
Yeah, coat falls away on the exit. Brake, turn in. Good, back on the power, good. Keep going. Good. Car in, exit, good. Brake in, soft, good. Car in. Good. To the right. Good, keep turning. To the right.
Slidey.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Or in pace mode, maybe.
Back on, okay, good.
Slightly understeer. Too weak.
That's it. See, there's a lot of grip through this section now, really.
Bloody hell, who broke that glass? That windscreen.
Good. Stop sliding on the way in there.
Well, I noticed if you press slightly brake, it starts to oversteer.
Yeah, mid corner. If you grab the brake, it will come round really. Left here, good. Right. Good. And come back. Good. Left here. Put on the crest. Good. Lay off the brake, that's it. Turn the car in, get your line.
I think if we go slightly fast, we will end up in on the grass, I guess.
And what we'll do here, we'll come through this corner and we'll finish the stage and turn left.
Alright.
Yeah. There you go. Good, well done. Good technique again, very, very good with the steering. But obviously, you can feel it when you go through that puddle, the front end wants to push really.
I know, this is not